Suresh Kumar worked in the Human Resources HR department of a company in Hyderabad. For over 15 years, he handled tasks like managing employee records, processing payroll, tracking attendance, and handling leave requests. His work was routine but important, and he took pride in doing it accurately every day. One day, the company decided to introduce robotic process automation (RPA) to speed up and simplify HR processes. The RPA software was designed to automatically manage the tasks that Suresh had been doing manually for years. It could update records, calculate salaries, and process leave requests instantly without any errors. Within a few weeks, the company noticed that the software was doing Suresh's job faster and with perfect accuracy. They no longer needed someone to manually handle these tasks. Suresh was called into a meeting with his manager, who told him that his job was being replaced by the new automation system. The company appreciated his years of service but asked him to resign as his role was no longer needed. Losing his job hit Suresh hard. He had 2 children in school and a wife who managed the household. Suddenly, their financial security was shaken. Suresh struggled to find a new job, but many companies were also moving towards automation, making it difficult for him to find work in his field. The stress took a toll on his family life as they had to cut back on expenses and rethink their future plans. This story is not just about losing a job, but about the impact it can have on a person's entire family. It's a reminder for others to stay alert and proactive. As technology evolves, it's important to learn new skills and adapt to changes so that we don't get caught off guard when automation comes to our doorstep.